Get this to 5,000 likes from people. 1,000 people comment guilty because more evidence continues to pour in Donaldson's case. You understand? And I'm going to tell you what is going on. All right? No, welcome everybody to Virtual TV Vlogs. I will continue to give you the updates right now where that is concerned. Now, as promised, I've been posting on this channel as much as possible. You understand what I say? So, subscribe to the channel, everybody. Share the video, leave a like on the video. It's the final segment inside of Blessing Sundays. You understand? So, we are work overtime right now to make sure you get all the updates that you need to know. Confirmation that Donaldson was in Noel Maitland's apartment in the form of a video call. According to what is being said, everybody, it seems that there was indeed a last bit of conversation between Donaldson and her brother, which revealed a phone call that came in the form of FaceTime. You understand? Now, when testifying about the validity of the phone call, everybody, Donnelly's brother said that he could have seen the background, the curtains, and inside Noel Maitland's living room. How am I going to escape from that one? Yeah? I will tell you about it. But things are now looking more and more serious. You understand me? So, you need to stay tuned right now. Leave a like on the video, share the video, my people. And Virtual TV wishes you God's richest blessing inside a Blessing Sunday. Okay? Alright, so we will now get into the updates, my people. Now, the headline is Donaldson spoke on her last conversation with her brother days before she went missing. Now, get this, everybody. It was on the 12th of July 2022 that phone call took place. The conversation between Donnelly and her brother the day she was reported missing. You understand me? And I will read the article and tell you all about it coming up in this segment right now. So leave a like on the video, everybody, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and welcome. All right, now of course content is being posted on Virtual TV Entertainment, so you can go over there and check it out as well. You understand me? And we continue to give you all the leading information and details. Now, let's go. This is where it gets interesting, everybody, because they're still on the topic of the couch. You understand me? And of course, investigators testified in court that they tested the spot where the couch was allegedly washed, and it was being said by an official investigator that that was not blood. Shocking turnaround of events, because the car wash attendant said that she took one look at the couch and saw blood like rice grain. But let's get into this newfound development, everyone. All right, now a brother of Donaldson gave evidence on Monday that he spoke with her for a short while on FaceTime on the afternoon of July 12, 2022, the day she went missing. So this call was on the day she went missing, was the last person that she spoke to before, of course, she went missing, everyone. Now, Donaldson was last seen at the Chelsea Manor apartment complex in St. Andrew, where her policeman boyfriend, Noel Maitland, lived. Now, based on a host of circumstantial evidence, police investigators theorize that Donaldson was killed and her body disposed of without a trace. Now, that is what they theorized. Okay? That is the theory of the investigators, that is what took place between Donaldson. Now, it was also revealed by investigators that Noel Maitland did not act alone in the disposing of Donaldson. Okay? They made it clear that he did not act alone in this incident, and there is going to be further investigation as it relates to that. But for me, this case is taking too long to come to a conclusion. I think they're taking quite too long for wrap it up, and it has put Sophia through trauma and distress, going to court ever so often to look at the man that is accused of course, doing that to her daughter. You understand me? Anyway, let's continue to give you the updates now. Following her disappearance, Maitland was arrested and charged with dropping and preventing lawful burial. He is currently being tried before a 7-member jury in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston for both offenses. Now, on Monday, Donaldson's brother told the court that he spoke with his sister for over a minute and was able to see the wall and the curtains behind her. He said the curtain had a brown color. Brown color, Jamaica. He said that the curtain had a brown color. Okay? Now, let us continue. Now, according to them, you're also saying that brown curtains, allegedly with blood spatter, were removed from Maitland's apartment and taken to the forensic laboratory for DNA testing to see if the blood matched Donaldson. Okay? Now, the brother was shown a photograph of a section of the apartment where he said was the same background behind his sisters during their short FaceTime call. So investigators in court showed the brother. So this is not just a word of mouth thing. Them asking, you know, if this is where he's at and this is what it looked like or whatever the case may be. Prosecutors showed him photographs of the apartment that were taken, samples of the curtain, and of course pictures of the background to ask him if he could have properly identified where it was. And Donnelly's brother came to the conclusion that based on the phone call that he and his sister shared over a minute, was indeed the apartment. The same curtain them we see on the video call are the same curtain that he identified and said yes, that those were the curtains that had Donnelly's blood when tested allegedly. You understand me? So this is getting quite interesting. Don't know how I'm gonna come out of the one in Jamaica, so me keep on. I said to you, but it's looking like it's prison. You understand? So not many persons last spoke to Donaldson when she passed. So this is new information that is being told to you within the court of law, that her brother indeed confirmed that the background was Noel apartment, the curtain was in Noel apartment, and it was the same curtain that he saw on the call when shown by prosecutors if this was one of the items that was in the call that you could identify. Leave a like on the video, my people. Now, that was the last time he spoke to her spoke with her, and according to him, he did not know whether or not she went anywhere or did anything in particular after they spoke. Now, the trial continues when 4 new witnesses are expected to be called to give evidence. 4 new witnesses are going to approach the courts. You understand? And they will testify. Now, attorneys representing Maitland are King's Counsel Larry Smith, Chadwick Berry, Sanjay Smith, Christopher Townsend, and Casey and Kennedy Sherman. Now, prosecutors in the case are Claudette Thompson and L'Oreal Tugwell. You understand me? So those are the prosecutors. Claudette Thompson, L'Oreal Tugwell, and Noel Maitland's defense team. Okay? So it no look good. Because the curtain them we have on the blood, the brother say, that are the curtain that he saw behind Donnelly in the phone call the last day that she was reported dead or missing. How are they going to argue this one now? Because they are already trying to argue the couch and say that it is not blood. They are trying to discredit the evidence that the substance coming from the couch and the smell that was emanating from the couch on that day in question, it is from something else. Leave a like on the video, share the video. We don't have no more to come. See you tomorrow. Bye. God blessing. My God.